These amazing pen and ink illustrations were created using AI, and I'm going to show how you can do it too with free tools. Let me say you finished your novel and want to add some illustrations. You have some options. If you are an artist, you can do it yourself. You can pay an artist to do it for you, or, in my case, use AI. The type of illustrations I'm talking about are those classic black and white ones we find usually in classic books. Let me show some examples I have here so you know what I'm talking about. Now I'm going to show how easily you can create these illustrations that will make your book shine and look a lot more professional. To create these, we are going to use Microsoft Bing Image Creator, which is powered by DALL-E AI. Once you are logged in, you are greeted by the homepage showing some curated images, but what we really want is to create our own. If you know at least a little about how to create stuff using AI, you already know that it all relies on the prompt. The prompt is the description field of what you want to be created. Here we have it. So let's give it a try. After logging in, you land in this screen where you can see some images created by other users, and clicking in here you can create your own. So click on Creations. Now before I start, I want you to pay attention to this icon here. This is the amount of credits you have to generate images faster. If you are on the free plan, which I am right now, I have 15 credits a day. If your credits fall to 0, you can still generate images, but it will take longer. Okay, let's try our first image. I'll type young lady walking outside a Victorian-era mansion in the style of hatching. The image creator will return usually 4 images for you to choose. These examples are pretty good already. Let's take a look. When copying and pasting these images to your book, you may crop to a specific size, but I'm not going to cover it right now. Okay, when giving instructions to the AI, the more specific you are, the better. Let me take the same prompt and give it more details. Young lady walking outside a Victorian-era mansion like Downton Abbey. A butler waiting in the front door, in the style of pen and ink, hatching black and white. So I gave it more details, which is always a great thing to do. Let's see what it will return. You see, it worked. Let me try another change in this prompt. Let me say you want it in the style of Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. You just need to give instructions to use the style of the artist you want to get inspiration. So I'll type young lady walking outside a Victorian-era mansion like Downton Abbey, a butler waiting in the front door in the style of Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, watercolor. And there you go. This thing is amazing. Keep in mind that the more details you give, the better are the results. Try to be specific regarding the style you want. Since I'm showing you illustrations for books, I'm using things like lithography, pen and ink, hatching, cross-hatching, watercolor, and you can do it too. Let me try another one. I'll type the following. Boy sitting in a dock with a fishing pole under a full moon, in the style of Hergé Tintin. And create. And there you have it. Beautiful illustrations. If you don't want the illustrations to come out in color, just add another feature that will guide the AI, like adding the word lithograph. So, a boy sitting in a dock with a fishing pole under a full moon, black and white lithography, in the style of Hergé Tintin. That's it. The results are great. The more time these AI models advance, the more precise they get. And sometimes you just need to adjust the image to remove some undesired artifact, using any software like Photoshop or GIMP, or even using another AI to correct the image, erasing some undesired element. You can also create only the tracing and adding by hand the details and colors to give a human touch. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you in the next video.